Hello friends, I will be looking at another special video from the desk of Chymall the educator. This is still one of our videos on Chymall. In our today's videos, we'll be looking at how to navigate your Chymall dashboard. We made part 1 of this video some time ago when we discovered that a lot of Chymall members don't even know what to do because most of them just register through someone else, and some others like part of us, some of us are never interested to explore things their ways. Until this time, we'll have fewer challenges. So this is part 2 of that same video, and I believe it's going to profit every one of us as we go through this. I will still encourage you to subscribe to our channels. This Chymall Educator will educate on online wealth creation, on business, on education technology, on finance, on management. So that you're here now, maybe because of Chymall, can as well benefit from this channel in other areas. So we educate on a lot of things. Subscribe to our channels, like this video, share with others that may need it, and do not forget to connect with us. If you still have further questions that you cannot share using the comment section, feel free to contact us through our WhatsApp. You can see the number there. This is a practical video. We're going to look at, going to Chymall dashboard, and I show you a few things. Like I said before, now this is just the part 2 of this exploring of your Chymall dashboard. So move over now to the next. Okay, you know what? You know very well that to do anything with your Chymall dashboard, you first of all have to, you have to log in. So I'm using this account now. I've just logged in now. So see what I'm going to do. I'm using a mobile. So I'm going to trace to get to my account. There are always many ways to go. You see, after this info tab, the next one by the right is my account. I click on it. So because that's the area I want to discuss now. If you go through our videos, you could see the first one. So I'm going to look at, if you look at all these items at the left, they're the ones I want to talk about, few of them. The first thing you see here is under my finance, you see recharge. This recharge is all about you wanting to purchase some points from the company. Maybe probably you want to register a new person, you want to upgrade, whatever. So you want to buy from the company. That's what recharge is all about. I'm not going to talk too much about it. So we also have withdraw. Withdraw here now, it means you have enough cheap points and you want to sell. Now recently the company has said you can only do this through Bitcoin, and I think I'll share the video on how to link your Bitcoin wallet address to your Chippoint account. So imagine if you want to withdraw. Let me show you what you're going to do. You click on withdraw. I'm only going to show you some important items here. Now what you do, look at what I have presently. My Chippoint is just $9 and all that. So what you do, withdraw amount, you type here. You can't withdraw anything less than $20. And from $20 up, everything you're going to withdraw will be on the multiples of 10. That means either 20 or 30, 40, 50, just that way. So here you type in your amount to withdraw. Withdrawal account, what does that mean? Cheap point is what I want to withdraw, and that's the only option here. The company is like telling you can't withdraw any other points, you can't withdraw consumption points. So that's why you see only cheap point here. So that's the only thing you can withdraw. Now, withdrawal method. They are still asking, are you withdrawing through BTC wallets or USDT or bank? They still leave these options, even the bank option here. Yeah, but remember the last communique they said is now Bitcoin. So don't make mistake of using the bank, I hope by now you already have your BTC wallet's address. So you choose that. Okay, you see what they're asking me, that I need to fill whatever before I go there. Yes, it's okay. Now once you do that, you withdraw method, you put it, amount to receive will show automatically, and this is your BTC address. You know, let me correct this. Some people think that at this point they start to impute their BTC address. It can't work. You must have settled this BTC address, having updated your account. And like I said before, there's a video I recorded before now on how to do that. So you can ask for it through the comment box I sent to you. You watch it again. So you don't come here now and start putting in the BTC address. It can't work. No, the system wouldn't recognize it because it's not part of your updated account. So once you've done that, you move on. These ones are bank, so you don't need it for now. So payment password, you type in my payment password and you click withdraw, and then it is now pending till when the company pays you. So that's about uh, withdraw. Income details, now leave it. I'm looking at the most important ones. Now, what is this currency flow? Currency flow shows you every way money is coming into your account. Let me just click on it and show you every way, whether the ones you're making through referrals, so everything that's bringing in money, the one that's going out and all that. So it's just like an income statement, so that you can easily see why is it I was expecting this. Just go here and see what's going on. Let me just show you the last few things that happened. I think this was a 3 point withdrawal I made. That's what you're seeing now. And since I made that 3 point withdrawal, this is one of my downlines. What does this mean? This downline, because it's in VIP4, so after its 10-day trading, I should earn 6 point something. I believe you understand that. I should earn 6 point something 3 points. So out of that 6 point something 3 point, let me just explain to you what's going on here now. You can as well interpret yours. Because I've settled my loan, the advance loan, I've settled it. So once I've settled it, the company now, whatever earning that comes into my account, they give me 60% 3 points and takes forth and puts forth into consumption point. So if you look at this, the total I'm supposed to receive from this guy, let me just quickly check on it, should be 6.3. Yes, that's what I should receive from him, 6.3 3 points, as if someone in VIP4, every of his 10-day profit. That's why it's good to have referrals. This was one of the things that helped me to clear my debts easier. So that's it. So out of that 6.3, if you check 60% of 6.3, you're going to have 3.78. And that's exactly what happened. So they give me 60% of 3 point. That's what you see, 3 point income, Y consumption point income. So they take 40% to consumption point and give me 60%. So now, everything you are seeing here now as it is, having received this 2.52, my current consumption point becomes a month after change 16.59. That's what I have now. Why my current 3 point is this. Now, what are you seeing here? 3 points accumulated. That means since I joined this business, I've been able to accumulate 434.86 3 points. Yes, that's what I've made so far. It does not matter what I started with, but I've made this so far. Both the one I made from referrals and whatever, that's what I've made. So these are some things you look at this, study very well, and see how the movements of your money is going about. So that's it. That's one of the most important uh, uh, tool item you have to see here. This member upgrade has to do if you want to upgrade. If you click on it and see you're upgrading from the current level to another level, so you follow the prompt. Very, very easy. It's not difficult. Now, P2P transfer, this is another area that is very important. I'm just choosing the most important ones. P2P transfer, look at it. It has to tell you, sometimes, listen to me, it's very possible for you to have an upliner or someone doing this for you. Let me tell you why this is very important to you. P2P transfer shows how money is being removed from your account to transfer to another member. That member could be a downliner or upline. Now imagine that you have someone doing this business for you, and it's very possible that you gather some chi points. This same person know it, and he will transfer part of your chi point to his account. Are you getting this? Because he's the one reporting to you. Maybe the time is supposed to have $50, 50 chi points. He withdraws 30 and leave 20. I will tell you, your money has now up to $20. I said, withdraw for me. And you wouldn't know. But once you go here now, because you are not doing the transfer now, if you are doing the transfer, let me just show you what do you want to transfer. Okay, payee ID. Payee ID means the person you want to transfer to, the username. You type it there. You must not make mistake here, because imagine you want to transfer to my own ID, transfer to someone's you don't know, it's lost. You can't account for it. Then select exchange type. What do you want to transfer? Is it activation point or consumption point or chi point? Cannot do any of this. Then quantity of what you want to transfer. You type it, look at it, numbers that come out. Then your payment password, and you send it, and it goes immediately successfully. It doesn't waste time. But now look at P2P transfer record. This is where it will show me all the money, the one that came into me, the one I sent out, so that I can easily track. If someone is trading for me, I'll not say, I look at it. Even some time ago, there have been a lot of money going out. And okay, what happened? How did this money go out? That means something went out of my account. How? But you didn't talk about it to me. That is what you need to know. You can see P2P transfer I sent to my Isoma. It was it's my service center. I sent to them some time ago. Look at it. When I sent, this was minus 50. But they later returned that. They said, okay, for now we can't pay you cash. Just take back. I said, okay, there's no problem. So they returned it. That's why you see it's plus here. Meaning an income came in. Now, there was a time also I sent this 90 3.2, a downline that already said, you know what, that's the normal thing. He just paid me, so I have a 2 point. I have to send to him for his, you know, for trading. So I have to send. It's okay. So this one came into me. That was when my downline sent for me to also help her convert for cash. Yes, this also downline did the same thing. Three downlines I sold for them last few days. So this one sent $20, this one sent 20, this one sent that. So I sold for them and send them the cash. So this also, when I purchased, if you look at this one now, this is, look at it. This is okay. I bought this from Zoma Service Center. That was an activation point I bought from them. Look at it. It's written activation point to register that new person, because you can't have activation points except through the service center or through the company. So I purchased from them. This one also consumption point that I was transferred, I transferred to. You look at, this was my upline. I was owing her something, so she asked me to pay her through consumption point. So I sent to her also. So you could see, this is where you see the record of every movement, and each of them will tell you what actually moved from your account. Is it a 3 point or consumption point or activation point? You could see it and see everything. So these are some of the records that are very, very important to you. You have to know. The next one I'm going to look at, and I stop this video here for now. I'm still going to have uh, maybe, if possible, it's necessary, the third part of this video, but these ones are very important. Now look at it. The next thing you're going to look about is advanced credit. For those of us who were given advanced credit on that December 27th, this is where you see completely how much you paid and how much you are now owing. When you look at this advanced credit and see, I might need to pay, for me 0.00 means I'm no longer owing. So if you click on that advanced credit, whatever you see there is what you are still owing the company. So as the income is coming in, they only give you 10 percentage points, cut 50% to settle your loan, and then cut 40% to send to consumption points. And a lot of us are enjoying it and say, consumption point everywhere. It's not actually funny, but then if you are recruiting, you can make use of it. So that's it. So I'm no longer owing. I was able to pay this because they gave me 180 for this account. And because I had something like 0.8 before, you could see they cut it off. So I was able to pay 179.82 to cover my 180. I'm no longer owing them. Nothing like new retail advance credit. So I'm not owing these guys again. So that's it. Do you understand? So this shows you everything you need to know about advanced credit. You could see your username will have to be here and so many other things. The first time I recorded this video on navigating your Chymall dashboard, I treated all these items on the top. I talked about it. So having gone this through video and you still want to get hold of the first video, just let me know through the comment box or through WhatsApp. I'm going to send it to you. So I'm going to stop here. I'm still going to release some videos. Recently the issue of withdrawal problems and all that. I don't quickly release videos. I take time to study. Recently, I just made a withdrawal request a few days ago. I want to watch and have the experience. So whatever I see, I can give accurate information so that to help everyone. So expect videos anytime soon. And that's the reason why there's need for you, apart from subscribing, you need to also hit the notification button so that once we release a video, it gets to your doorstep. I stop here for the moment. Thank you for your time. Remember to sign up, remember to like our video, and remember to share with